welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be deep cleaning and decluttering our master bedroom. So I'm going to be cleaning the fan, the ceilings, the floors, under the dressers, decluttering the desk and the mail and all that good stuff. So if you are in need of motivation like that, then continue to watch this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Again, my name is Tamara. I'm a wife and a mother of 2 boys, and I love creating organization, cleaning, DIY, decluttering videos to motivate you guys and also to motivate myself. So I hope that you will stick around and watch this video, and I hope that it motivates you enough to click that subscribe button. If you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Say hello in the comments and subscribe if you have not. I will not be talking a lot in this video. I just really wanted to motivate you guys to get up and get something done. In particular, some of those areas that you are just dreading, or you stuff stuff in drawers, or whatever the case may be, because I know in our bedroom, I have some areas that I have been neglecting, and I'm gonna get through those today.
Can you see me shaking? Hear the sound of my heart breaking. Bless the soul that's aching, hoping I survive. The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty
I say? Give me baby girl another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say? Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in. You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move, no banta. Hey, hey, chepe, niña tombong banta, yeah, maybe. You got time into, got time for me to, baby, nice walk, oh no. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. With your friends now. Girl up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love, Girl up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love. Baby girl, I like it how you move, moving like the ocean. Yeah, she deep like the ocean. She got waves in the hair just like the ocean. Yeah, like the ocean. If it didn't know, with my man some distance from the ocean. Wavy like ocean, baby. Yeah, you're looking like the ocean. Deep in my pocket like the ocean. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. Oh no no no. Girl up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love, Girl up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love,
so much for hanging out with me today. I hope this video was motivating y'all. I hope it encouraged you guys and motivated you to get up and get something done around your home. If you are new to my channel, I hope that you enjoy it. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. I would love to chat with you all. I pray you have the most amazing week, and I'll see you in my next video.